Hey everyone, my name is Rebecca and I teach English online using a method called Comprehensible Input, which is whenever you listen and learn naturally like a baby would, because I use visuals and gestures and pictures. So if you would like to learn English in this way, then watch my video. I can't believe that I now have 20,000 subscribers, 20k subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing. And if you still haven't subscribed, then you can subscribe now. I upload every single Tuesday, so you will get English lessons every Tuesday with me. Now, I don't only upload videos, I also teach one-to-one conversation lessons. So you can click the link in the comments if you'd like to do conversation classes with me. And also I have a course which has a lot more videos, a lot more content, and is more structured. So if you'd like to check out my course, then it's also in the link in the comments. So back to today's video. In today's video, I am going to describe some pictures or some cards. So I received some cards last week, so I'm going to describe them to you and describe the pictures to you. So this is the first card. So this is a card or a birthday card. So it says cumpleaños, which is birthday in Spanish. Te deseo un feliz cumpleaños. I wish you a happy birthday. And it's got a pig with two flower. Oh, just one. One flower, butterfly. And these are little trotters. A pig's foot is called a trotter. And this is called a snout. A pig's nose is called a snout. And two little ears and two little eyes. And this is a fence. This blue thing is a fence. And it's just got loads of dots around it. Very nice. Next card also says happy birthday in Spanish. I live in Spain, that's why they're all Spanish. And in this card, there's a dinosaur. So this is a dinosaur and he's riding a bicycle. And he's got a basket here. Presents, 1, 2, 3, 3 presents, a blue present, yellow present, red present, and the presents have ribbons. Here there are balloons. There are 4 balloons. 2 of them are stripy balloons. And then, oh, he's got a party hat, a party hat. And there's lots of confetti falling confetti. And the dinosaur has lots of teeth, sharp teeth. And he's got a tail, and I don't know what those are called. Spikes along his tail. Very nice. Card number 2. Next card is very simple. Happy birthday. In English, you say happy birthday. And there are lots of hearts. And they are pink, green, red, purple hearts. And this is like a little balloon heart. So that's quite simple. Lots of hearts. Now this card is probably my favorite card. It's very simple and it says happy birthday. And this is Snoopy. Snoopy is a dog, a cartoon or a comic strip dog originally. And he's got a big bow on his neck, and it's purple. And the rest of the card is yellow. And it says Peanuts. Peanuts is the name of the Snoopy company. And the reason that I love Snoopy is because my dog, here's my dog, is named after her. So she is Snoopy. She's Snoopy. He's a boy. But Snoopy died 2 years ago, and she was very, very old. And she was 15 when she died, and she was smelly and old, and we loved her, but she's dead. This card, it's a pun. A pun is like a play on words. Yeah, I'm into Fitbit. Fitbit is like the watch that you use for exercise. Fitting every bit of this cake into my mouth. So fitting, Fitbit. So it's a pun or a joke. So this is a cat, a fat cat, and it's quite grumpy, quite a grumpy cat, and he's got his whiskers, his nose, his eyes, and his little ears. He's got fur, and this is a cake or a birthday cake with lots of blue icing. So see if you can understand that pun. And then this is also another pun, mooning duck. So it's a duck with its behind out, so mooning duck. The next card, this is a handmade card. So handmade card is when someone bought card, handmade card. So someone made this with their hands. And this is Cars, Lightning McQueen from Cars, because I said to my friend that I love the movie Cars. So she made me a Cars card. So this is Lightning McQueen, so it's red. It says happy birthday, Rebecca, and he's got a big teethy smile, a big smile. And there's the wheels, and yeah, Lightning McQueen. And then I have another handmade card. So someone drew this, and there's 2 party hats, and it says hats off for another year. So you take your hat off to celebrate. So that's really cute. And then the last birthday card is this. So this is a little small card, and it's got an elephant with a party hat and some confetti. So the elephant trunk, and its little tail. It's very cute. And then I just have 2 more. I have this card. I found this card from a long time ago. This is a wedding card. I just thought it was funny because it says just married. So it's got a car, just married, and it's got balloons, and tin cans. So it's very traditional to have tin cans whenever you just get married. I'm not sure why. I can't remember. Just married. That is the end of the cards that I got. Those are all of the cards that I got. I also got this. I suppose this is a present. Cars. The same person got me that. So it's a glass of water. Piston cup. Let me know if you like the movie Cars. That's all my birthday cards. Let's see if I can test you. I'm going to test you, see if you remember. Okay, what's this? Animal. Dinosaur. And what is he doing? He is riding his bike. Very good. Okay, what animal is this? Pig. Good. And what's this? Snout. And what's this? Butterfly. And he's leaning on a fence. So this pun, what animal? Cat. And how would you describe the cat? Fat and grumpy. Fat and grumpy cat. Can you remember who this is? So this is Snoopy, who is a dog, and he's got a, what's this? A bow. And last test, these are hearts. These are hearts. So that is all my birthday cards. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that you learned some new vocabulary. If you are learning with me, then I've got lots of other videos. I've got my course, I've got my one-to-one lessons, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye!